Hello, welcome to Nattys Crafts. I'm Natalie and I'm normally the one that's doing all the crafting. Today we're not going to do any crafting though. I'm actually coming on just to say that I'm going to take a little break. I'm thinking a couple of weeks, maybe a month. I'm just going to take a break, no videoing, just regular crafting in the background. And I just am going to get my mental and my physical health back to normal, and then I'll be back to the videoing, and then I'll start joining the challenges again. I really enjoy the challenges, and so when I come back, I think that's what my focus is going to be, because that's what I enjoy the most. So for now, we're on break. You can always message me. I don't know how. I guess on Instagram. I do have an Instagram account, Nattys_crafts. I believe is what it is. I don't know. Check the description down in my video below. Anyway, so little break. We'll see you in a couple weeks, maybe up to a month or so. But I'll be back to craft some more. Thanks so much for joining me, guys. And those of you that have subscribed, I do appreciate it. Have a great one.